Hi there. Today I want to show you how I make my ear wires and how to get perfectly matched pair every time. Okay? I know, I work mostly with wood laser cut earrings, so I need a larger hoop than most most places sell. So I decided to just start making my own. And I just want to show you, this is a file I designed and cut the other day just for fun. You see they swing, fits nice. And these are, 1/8 inch or 3mm Baltic birch. So these hoops are plenty big enough for there to be, free movement of the earring itself. And by the way, if you want the Kelsey earring file, it's on our website. It's a free file, so you can grab it and make some quick before the Super Bowl tomorrow. So anyway, I use, where did it go? The wire that I use. Anyway, I can't seem to find my roll. I use oh, here it is. I use a 20 gauge stainless steel, 304 stainless steel wire for my ear wires. And I just cut 2 pieces off, I don't know, I guess about 2.5 inches long. And I put them next to each other, make sure the ends are lined up, and I take my bail making pliers. If you don't have a pair of these, get them. They'll make your life so much easier. And they have 6 different size to the jaws. You have a 3mm, a 4mm, 6mm, 7mm, 8, and 10. Okay? So I like to use the 7mm barrel for my hoop, my hook, and my ear wire. So what I do is I take 2 pieces of wire side by side, place them right there in the jaws so that the tip of the wire is right in the middle. You see that? And I make sure the 7mm barrel is facing me. So once I have those pinched in there tight, I just roll the wire up and over until it's flat facing away from me. Okay? Then I just remove them from the pliers. I turn them around so the hook, the little hoop we just made, is facing away from me. And the 8mm is facing away from me. The 10mm barrel is towards me. So I put them in, and I sit the hook, or the hoop, the little loop I just made, I sit that right on top of the 8mm barrel. You see that, how it's just sitting there? Then I, again, with the 10mm side facing me, I twist the wire up over that 10mm barrel, and I take it just till it touches the back of my loop. Okay? Then I slide my barrel out, still holding them together. I take the smallest barrel, put it down at the end, and just bend a little bit back. You see that? Okay. Now I just need to trim these off to make sure they are the same length. And there you have a perfectly matched pair of ear wires. Now, once I have them made, then I will get out my burr cups and I will smooth my wire ends so they're not jagged and rough. I'll smooth them off. And then I will get out my hammer and my stamping platform, and I will harden the wires by hammering them a little bit. I'm not going to go through that now. I just wanted to show you how easy it was to make a pair of ear wires with the bail making pliers. Alright, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will answer you as soon as possible. And I hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you next time.